Are you looking to earn an income online? Coming up, I'll walk you through 7 different ways to make money online in 2019. What's up everyone? I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We're here to help you grow your business online. If you want to see more videos like this one, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. In this video, we're going to get into 7 different ways that you can make money online. Before we get started though, I want you to think a little bit about what your skill set is. What do you bring to the table, or what does your team bring to the table? You're probably not going to be able to do all 7 of these, at least when you get started. So if you think about what you're best at, it'll help you decide which one of these to focus on in the beginning, and as your business grows, maybe expand into other ones. The first way to make money online is by growing an offline business. And so what I mean by that is, it doesn't matter what business it is. Maybe you're a graphic designer, a digital marketer, you might have a coffee shop, an art gallery, you sell heavy machinery, any type of business that you already have that you're already selling for but not online, you can use your website to either generate leads, so maybe someone gives you their phone number, their email address, or for a physical location, maybe they come across you through Google Maps and click directions to come to your physical location. The second way to make money online is by setting up an e-commerce store. So these days, people are used to buying almost anything online, from food, their toothbrush, clothing, artwork, furniture, whatever it is. So if there's something you sell or want to sell, by setting up an e-commerce store, you can reach a larger audience than someone that might be willing to drive by your physical location. So you can reach people across the country, across the world, and it's really not that difficult to get a store set up. So we actually have a free Squarespace course. I'll link to that down below. You can set up your web page, upload your products, and be selling online in no time. Shopify is also another platform that people use a lot. So e-commerce is a great way to sell physical products to anyone across the world. I'd say the one drawback with e-commerce is that there's a lot of logistics involved. So the products that you have to deal with shipping it to the client. They haven't seen it physically, so you're gonna have some returns. You're gonna have to deal with how to get that product back to you. But other than that, e-commerce is a great way to sell to a very large audience. The third way to make money online is through dropshipping. So if you're not familiar with what dropshipping is basically where you sell products through your e-commerce store, but they're actually not your products. Some other business is in charge of creating the products and shipping them to the end consumer. And so there's services like Oberlo or AliExpress where you can choose from their thousands of products, choose which ones you want to offer in your store. If someone purchases it, sends the order to that service, they ship it to the client, and that's all that you need to do is get someone to your website and get them to purchase. There's also companies like Printful where you can design, say, iPhone covers, t-shirts, socks, backpacks, all sorts of things with your designs, and they take charge of actually creating the products and shipping it to the customers. All the things I mentioned I'll link to down below. The one thing with working with dropshipping is that the less effort you're putting into a business, so you're not creating the products, you're not doing the shipping, they're gonna take more of the margin. And so this is a lower margin way, but if you are mindful of how much it costs you to get traffic to your website and what your margin is on your products, this can be a very profitable way to make money online. The fourth way to make money online is through Google Adsense. So you can use Adsense in 2 different ways. The first way, if you have a website, you can place Google Adsense banners on it. So you choose the shape of the banner, the placement, and then Google goes out and finds advertisers to advertise on your website. The second way is through YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel and it has over 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time, you can start to put ads on your videos. In both of these instances, Google is doing a ton of the work for you, and so you're going to be splitting the ad revenue with them. And so AdSense really only works if you have a lot of views on YouTube or a very large audience on your website. The fifth way to make money online is through sponsored content. So that could be an article on your blog, mentioning a business in the email you send to your email list, mentioning a service on your podcast, doing a YouTube video, or say post on Instagram. And so this works in 2 ways. One is you reach out to companies and say, hey, I love your product or service. I have this audience, and I want to create this type of content for your brand. Or brands may actually reach out to you and say, hey, we love what you're doing, what you built. We were thinking you could create this type of content for your audience. And so with this, it requires a little bit of work up front with you negotiating with the brand to come up with what the content is going to be and how they're going to compensate you. But it can be much more profitable than just putting ads on your content like with AdSense. I'm most familiar with sponsored content as it relates to YouTube, where YouTubers can make hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars per video that contains sponsored content. And this is only getting easier as different platforms come out, such as FameBit, that do a good job of connecting the two sides, kind of cutting out the work that needs to be done to find partnership opportunities. The sixth way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you recommend products or services. If someone uses your link or your discount code and makes a purchase, you receive a commission on that sale. Commissions can be anything from, say, 1% to, I've seen things even up to 50% for some digital products. And one of the biggest affiliate programs is Amazon. So anywhere online you see someone recommending an Amazon product, chances are they're an Amazon affiliate. And so if you click on that link, make a purchase, they would make a commission for anything you purchased on Amazon. And really there are tons of businesses that have affiliate programs. And so if there's businesses, products, services that you like, I encourage you to just go to Google and say X brand affiliate program, and something will probably pop up. And so you apply to the program, and then you can start to use your links and receive commissions for someone buying brands that you love. The seventh and last way to make money online is by creating digital products. And the most popular form of this is probably online courses. And why this is so powerful and important for content creators is you create something once. You put in a few hours, maybe a few weeks in creating a course, but then you can sell 1 or 1 million of these into the future at no additional cost to you. The course is created, you can upload it to a platform such as Teachable, and then there's really no additional cost for each unit of the course that you sell. And so what you'll see people do is they'll set up a marketing funnel where maybe it costs them $30 in ads for every $100 course that they sell. Then you can just let that run on autopilot and start working on other things for your business, maybe create another course, and you just have passive income coming in every day from the course that you created. And so for us, we created our first course, which is actually free, teaching people how to use Squarespace. And so the reason you might create a free course is that you might be able to make a little bit of money as an affiliate for some of the things that you're talking about in the course. And two, it's a way to grow an email list to later offer more premium courses. So I think people struggle with when it comes to courses is they think I'm not good enough to teach a course. I'm not the world expert on a topic. And the thing is, you don't need to be to teach a course. You just need to find an audience where you know something a little bit better than they do. And so you might not be a mathematician, but could you teach math to a 4th grader? Or what is something you just struggled through? Maybe you worked your ass off and you just lost 30 pounds. You might not be a personal trainer, but you could walk people through the experience that you had and how you did it, make that into a course, and make some money out of that day in and day out into the future. Okay, so those are 7 ways to make money online. And so what I'd love to hear from all of you is which 1 or 2 ways do you think you'll use to start making money online? So why don't you leave down below in the comment section a little bit more about what you're working on and how you plan to start making money online. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. That'll help our channel grow. If you haven't done so yet, you can subscribe to our channel right here. That way you're notified when we put out new videos. If you want to watch another related video right now, there's a couple along the side here. Until next time, bye-bye.